How to solve difficulties with uploading or viewing photos and videos on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can fix difficulties with uploading or viewing photos and videos on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're having issues or trouble adding or posting photos, you can try these troubleshooting tips, such as just make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or network connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, just try to switch to Wi-Fi and then see if that solves the problem. Try uploading also the original photo instead of an edited version, because sometimes Facebook might not be able to process the edited version. And then again, you want to make sure to check the size of the photo, because sometimes the size of the photo could be too large that it is just unsupported by Facebook. So you want to make sure to just check that as well. Once you've done that, just go to what's on your mind section here and you can just try to upload a photo or video, and also make sure the Facebook app has your photo access over here, and then you should be able to solve them accordingly. So this way you can go ahead and solve difficulties with uploading or viewing photos on Facebook. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.